one thing that women keep writing in to us is to ask us to recommend gifts for men. And if your man is a grown-up boy, and let's face it, all of us are, then this just might interest you. If you haven't already, now would be a great time to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon too while you're at it. In case you haven't guessed it, we have with us a nano drone, which is the smallest class of drone and weighs under 250 grams. This one doesn't even have a camera on it, which means that it's not subject to the DGCA regulations. Of course, you have to be mindful of your surroundings. We have with us the Protocol Slipstream S, an entry-level stunt drone. As the name implies, this one isn't for photography, but just for the joy of flying and can perform basic flying stunts like flips and drags. But let's see what's inside this box. No surprises here, since the box had a transparent front. Here's how big it is, or rather how small it is. It's incredibly light. It doesn't have the battery in it right now, but even then I'm surprised at how light it is. Instruction manual, boring. The RC remote looks good, the build quality is good. It's no dual shock, but the controllers feel tactile. The power button turns the remote on and connects it to the drone. The shoulder buttons include one for takeoff and landing, a speed switch, a ready-made 360-degree flip, I'll surely try that one out, and one for turning off the blinking lights on the drone. The remote is powered by 4 AA batteries. Next, we have the charging wire, which is used to recharge the drone's battery. I also appreciated the extra set of rotor blades. But enough with the unboxing, let's fly this baby. It took us the better part of half a day to get used to this. Don't let the video here fool you. We struggled to control this in the air in the beginning. And it being a windy day didn't help us either. That was a 360-degree flip, by the way. This was fun, like childhood level fun. But let me land it now and tell you about our thoughts.
Okay, so Vikram, what is your impression on this drone?
I had a blast, and I bet looks like even you had
like it is so tough to just get control on it. Actually, we were crashing it everywhere.
This looks like the modern day version of flying kites during Sankranti. So, like I said, this is the first time I was trying to fly a drone. It was very tough to get started, but very exciting, right?
Yeah. But you do need a lot of practice to fly something like this.
Not just practice, you need an open space.
Yes.
So because even though we had an open environment, both Vinayak and I, we kept crashing into the trees and balls and even into each other. I think I don't know whether it was by accident, but I think twice or thrice you managed to aim this at me.
Yeah, it came too close and we almost lost it also. Actually, it flew almost away. We had to run after it to get it back.
In spite of all the misadventures though, this little guy, he's still very sturdy. So though it's very light, I think it's very sturdy and the build quality is phenomenal.
Yes.
So in terms of recommendation, would you like to get this as a gift?
At 5K, I think I would guarantee love to get this as a gift.
If my wife is watching this video, I would love to get this gift for Diwali, for Christmas, for whatever occasion, just for the heck of it. So that's it. If you have any other questions, do write into us at tech@talkingstuff.net, and of course our WhatsApp number, which is down right here, 96525 stuff. So reach into us, ask us any questions, and guys, what about gifts for her? We are going to be coming back soon and let you select some good gifts for her. And don't worry, it's not going to be us thinking about it. We are going to have some women tell you what gifts you should be getting them. See you next time.
See ya.
Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe, like, and make sure you leave comments below. If you have better ideas for gifts for boys, drop them in the link below too. See you next time. Bye.